ladies and gentlemen. Dr. John Belkowitz here. So I hope you're having an awesome morning. We did a fun project yesterday for our countertop. We're doing this glow-in-the-dark section, really big panel with optical fibers going through it. And I'm tailoring a mix that I actually used in one of our older videos on high-end glow grouts, but now I've got to take out the accelerator. I'm using a lot of this non-chloride based accelerator. It's either a sodium or calcium nitrite blend, and it's a great mix for doing business cards and getting things, you know, ripped and stripped the next day. But the unfortunate thing is, in such a big panel, it's going to induce some cracking due to volume change with all that accelerator. So I yanked the accelerator out. Still wanted that fluidity, but you know, without that NCA, I'm losing the efficiency on the high range water reducer, and if I put too much high range in, there's a chance it's going to lead to overdosage. So what I ended up doing is I ended up putting a lot more water in there than necessary, and what you end up seeing, let's see if I can get that, on the top edge, this overdosing causes an excessive amount of air, and I don't know if you can see those air bubbles, but it's a softening of the top surface. You lose that sheen. The bottom is fine. The bottom is gorgeous. It's tough. You know, it's got a nice shine to it, but again, that top surface is just all air bubbled out, and the unfortunate reality is that it's just going to dust, especially when you're using it, because it is going into a countertop. It's just going to flake off and chip away very, very soon, and that's not what we want. What you can see on the side here, you know, when we have this air buildup, normally it's a combination of too much water and too much high range water reducer. So we really push the limit on water, and it causes this milky, waxy like appearance at the surface, which is tough to see when you're using white cement. But you still have that air reaction, and that accompanies that waxy look to it. So we're gonna have to redo this mix, and what we're gonna need to do is just yank back the water. I want to keep the high range in there. I like the fluidity. Also gives me this set stabilization, so I have a longer period to keep it in that fluid state. So I'm gonna keep that true, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna reduce the water, and we'll have a follow-up video on this to show you what it ends up looking like with the next mix and what the next mix is. So please stay tuned. Let us know if you have any concrete questions, concrete concerns. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go concrete! Beat asphalt!